Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Coming back at you again with another gas card update. Yes, I know you guys getting sick of all these gas card updates and refreshes like the AtoB gas card. Just want to put a few things out there about this card. If you don't already know about it, just want to give a few updates about their reporting and a couple other new updates that they are doing. But if you don't know about AtoB, it's a fairly new fintech business gas card. I was the first YouTube channel to launch AtoB, I believe back January, not last year, but the year before, right when I started my YouTube channel. Okay, we've already got, I think, well over like 1,400 people approved. Anyways, they are self-underwriting. It's a net 7-day term. They may only give you, say, $250 a week, or $500, $750, $1,000, could be $10,000. It's all going to depend on your earnings, how long you've been in business. They don't really look too much about business credit. They're there to help you for if you're a brand new business. They understand that. So their underwriting department will look at your business bank account, even if it's not that established. It's okay. You definitely use my link when you go to sign up, because if you look at their main site, you can see here that it's just like any other little application. But if you use my link, you'll get referred and you sign up and you get $100 credit after your first 250 gallons.
GBC family, just a quick break. Here's a message from one of our sponsors. The very first thing when you open up a business is have a business checking account. And this is why I bank with North One. It's very important to separate your personal from your business. Also, did I mention you could just apply within minutes? Your first month is free. Oh yeah, and I also forgot. After that, it's $10. But come on, what's that? You can buy a bulk of coffee with this. So listen, stop looking at me, look at the description below, click on the link, and apply. Come on, what you waiting for? Bank with North One.
This can be used for regular gasoline, not just diesel. It can be used for any type of gas. And maintenance, it can be used for maintenance as well. Auto parts, car, like I say, AutoZone, oil changes, whatever. So I'll have the link in the description below. But anyways, it's businesscredit2022.com/ATOB. It'll be going across the screen and it'll be in the link in the description below. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm doing this update here in a moment. But for those that don't know anything about AtoB, I'll just go through those FAQs real quick. What does accepted everywhere mean? You can use the AtoB fuel card for fleet-related purchases anywhere except Visa. Over 99% of merchants. No need to visit in-network fuel stations or stops. The Visa is networked is the AtoB network. And then it says what discount with the AtoB card. Presently, they offer a flat 5% discount off of every gallon, while some other older gas card, credit card networks claim to offer larger discounts. It says we find that our customers save more with our cards. Why? Our discounts are available everywhere, not just at in-network locations. For some discount programs, we've noticed that in-network fuel stations added artificial premium to the price per gallon. As a result, cardholders don't receive the full discount as advertised. While many larger discounts offered are limited to a number of gallons, say the first 3,000 purchased in a given period of time. A discount AtoB offers is flat for every gallon forever. All right. And it says, what else can I use my AtoB card for? Initially, you're only able to use it for fuel purchases only. But once you start making your payments every week, you know, build that relationship up with them. Like it says here, You pay off your weekly statements. You can unlock a variety of other fleet costs beyond fuel expenses like maintenance and repairs, towing services, business insurance, and more. So it's all about building that relationship up. How do I unlock AtoB's card to spend on more than fuel? That kind of just answered that, but it says once you spend on purchases totaling 2 times your weekly credit limit on and successfully pay off the corresponding statements, you'll automatically unlock your AtoB fuel card for a range of vehicle-related expenses, maintenance, repairs, parts, tires, car washes, towing, roadside assistance, tolls, and parking. Spend and pay off your statements for 4 times and weekly credit limit, and you have access to even more business-related expenses, including vehicle rentals, insurance, hardware, and supply stores. I only need a fuel card. Can I restrict my AtoB card for fuel purchases only? Sorry, I'm not looking, directly at you guys. I'm reading this so much. But it says absolutely you can restrict the cards. You can issue as many cards to your employees and restrict it however way you want, limits and all that. Is there any hidden fees? There's no hidden fees, no card fees, anything like that. And it says, can I push your transactions to QuickBooks? Yes, you can integrate right with QuickBooks. What are the payment terms? They use net 7 days, meaning that you have 7 days after the billing period ends to pay your balance. For example, if the billing period starts on Monday, August 1st, you'll be able to use your credit limit through Sunday, August 7th, at which point the cycle starts over. However, your balance for this period will be due on the following Monday, August 15th. So you kind of got 14 days if you were to use it all. Say on August 1st, you filled up, you would have almost 2 weeks to pay it, pretty much, okay? And it says right here, can you manage multiple drivers? Can I limit the amount of each driver? Yes, of course. You can control that 100% yourself. And what do you need to sign up? And like it says here, I don't have a business credit score. That's fine by us. They just need your EIN, driver's license, and proof of business revenue for the last 3 months. Does AtoB report to the credit bureaus? Yes, we report monthly to Experian. We're honored to help our small business clients build their credit. Okay, that's why I wanted to make this video, you guys, because before, when they first launched, I actually worked with the founder, Thresher, of AtoB and tried to get him to get reporting to Creditsafe and kept pushing him to get through Dun and Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. However, with all the different business credit bureaus, to be a data furnisher, they require different type of formatting, and you have to have like 3 months of accounting data of your clients. You have to show the full file in a certain format, and it gets very costly for the actual software that you need to be able to basically submit and be a data furnisher. They were submitting to Dun and Bradstreet. I believe it was like quarterly. They must have had some problems with them, but that's fine. Dun and Bradstreet's, not all that great in my opinion. Anyways, Experian is the hardest to actually get accepted in to be a data furnisher for. So they just recently, I believe it was like 5 or 6 weeks ago, got accepted into Experian, met the requirement. So now they report to Experian every month. Of course, it's not going to report unless you use it. A lot of you guys may say, oh, it's not that great because it wasn't reporting for the last year or whatever. Well, it's a fairly new company. It takes time for the credit bureaus to actually trust the new companies to provide this data and stuff, So if they're reporting to Experian now, you definitely know that they've been well vetted and everything. I trust them. We've got, like I said, over like 1,300 people approved. Use my link. I told you before, Experian's the one you want to focus on getting business trade lines, because that's how you unlock like Citibank, Synchrony Bank, so many other actual credit lines you can actually use. So that's all with this video. I just want to give you guys that update. Reports to Experian. Use my link. It's just a quick, it'll say right here, you've been referred. If you don't see that you've been referred, then don't go there, because you're not gonna get that $100. Using my link, it'll go across and it'll be in the description. You get $100 after you spend your first 250 gallons, and 250 gallons can go by pretty quickly. Okay, it's a 5-minute application. You guys can check it out. No credit score needed, no social security number required. Hey, I've already made a couple of videos and I've interviewed a couple of their reps in the past. Anyways, you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. Till next time, you guys take care, and you guys stay tuned, because I really do have new fintechs coming. I'm just doing a refresh of some of these older videos to give you guys some more updated information, because like I said, AtoB wasn't reporting to Experian until like 6 weeks ago. Just trying to keep everything fresh and updated for you guys. Okay? Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Give the video a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.